So friends, today I will tell you about the Enterprise Master. It have all of the details related to the company. So just log in on the SpeedG application with your registered mobile number and the password. When you click on that, you'll get this screen, and in this one you can get here the Enterprise Master. So initially Enterprise Master screen looks like this. It have the complete company details, its name, its address, and all this. When you provide it at the first time of registration, is so the status active means list your current company status is active, it's working. Now second, it tells about the subscription of the particular enterprise. So it tells about from when it is start, when it is going ending, what the amount of the subscription you have paid it. This is the free subscription, so its amount is 0, and it's tell about something about your payment detail, is status when it is activated. This is, the subscription status is active or not. You can print your invoice and you can see the details of the complete details of your detail. Thereafter it have the branches detail. So there's only one branch, but you can add the multiple branches by clicking on add branch, and then you can specify the name of the branch, state, the station where it is, the address, mobile number, email address, GST number, the bank details, and here you can specify the IFSC code, account number, and you have to specify whether it's a controlling branch. If it is controlling branch, then the accounting branch will be the same branch of your branch. If it is under some branch, then you have to specify the main branch name and the status, and then you have to click on create. Then branch will be getting created like this. So you can see, like I'm just editing here, you can see the detail of the bank here, it's mentioned here, and it's a Pune is under Pune, so that means this is a accounting branch or main branch there. And thereafter you see the users, you can add the users here. Then click on add users, you can specify the name of the users, the email ID, mobile number, on which branch it have the controlling over it. So you have to select that branch, and what the role it actually you have to specify. Suppose it's a branch manager, so you can give a admin access, and if it is just an operational person, you can give a operational executive, report executive only have the report access. Chief executive is the main head of the company. You will have the authority to add branches, add a user, change the configuration and all the stuff. Finance executive is basically for the having the controlling of the finance. Fleet even is having the access on the fleet, and then you have to put a password state, you have to click and create it. So you can create a multiple users and given a different access to the different users, different modules, different branches. You can upload the signature of the user here, and that will be any plain JPG file. You can upload it, and that will be getting printed on the consignment and bill on all the stuffs. So this is the way. Here also we have the configuration where you can click and configure or customize the application as per your need. So there are the different parameters, like one is that bill A4 means like if you want to print the bill on A4. If you need email alerts, then or UI alerts or anything you can specify. And this is when you need submitted outstanding, something different, some reports are there like submitted outstanding, you need it daily, then you can, over email, then you can put it 1, 2 is weekly, then 3, 4 nightly, and 4 monthly. So this if you specify, like 2 is specified, so this means the weekly you can receive you will automatically receive on the email the submitted outstanding summary. Similarly, if your CBS has to be initialized, that cutoff date you have to specify, from which date you have to specify you have to start the CBS duration you can specify. CBS, if you want to print the CBS on landscape in place of the portrait, you can specify 1. If you want the permit notification, then you can specify 1. If you want the MR generation automatically, then you have to specify it in a document controller and set it to 1, then automatically MR will be generated from the range you have specified into document control. We'll discuss it later on this one. Similarly for the channel, these are different parameters. You can find some more parameters to be getting added, which has the different features and the way to customize it. And if you have any doubt about it, you can ask the support team, they will help you in doing that. So this all about this Enterprise Master. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.